I love you. Happy Chinese New Year. And we also have to say, hi, we are Chinese New Year. Let's say Happy Chinese New Year. Let's say it all together. Happy Chinese New Year.
Yay!
Playtime with Aiden and Club. Come play with us. Yay, 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 yay.
Hi guys! Welcome to Playtime and Aiden Claire. They're both sleeping now. We're gonna read a bedtime story today. We got this new book called Peppa Pig Chinese New Year. Wow! I hope you guys enjoyed the story. Let's get started. Okay, let's start the story. Look at Aiden and Claire. They're almost sleeping. Let the bedtime story begin. Peppa and George are at a playgroup. Good afternoon, children, said Madame Gazelle. Today is a lucky day. Is it my birthday? Asked Danny Dog. No, Madame Gazelle said. It is Chinese New Year. The children are super excited. Before we celebrate the Chinese New Year, we must sweep up, Madame Gazelle said. That is because we sweep out the old year before we welcome in the new year. Yay! Peppa and her friend love sweeping. Miss Rabbit brings in a lot of paper lanterns. She is going to be a helper today. Chinese New Year is all about family and good fortune, said Madame Gazelle. Let's celebrate together. Everybody cheers. Hooray! 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 I think I just woke them up. Next, Peppa and her friends make Chinese New Year cards. Why are all the cards red? Asked Peppa. In China, the red is a very lucky color, said Madame Gazelle. My dress is red. Ooh, my shirt is red, said Peppa. That makes you extra lucky, said Madame Gazelle.
Peppa, our color is green.
Oh, your color is green?
My color is pink.
Yay!
My color is gray.
Yay!
My color is blue. My name is red. My name is black.
Okay.
Yellow.
Whoa. I think they're all awake now. Let's continue the story. Peppa promised to share her extra luck with Susie Pig. Miss Rabbit brings out a tray of food. Yummy, yummy in my tummy. It has candy, tangerines, and super duper delicious cookies. Yay! Is anyone feeling hungry? Miss Rabbit asked. I think I'm super hungry too. We are, said Pedro. I like Chinese New Year, said Danny, picking up 2 candies.
I like candy.
Everybody loves candies, Claire. Aiden, do you like candies?
Oh.
Later, everyone get dressed in red clothes, just like Peppa. Then Madame Gazelle showed them a picture of China. This house is called Pagoda, she said. Repeat after me. Pagoda, said George. Pagoda, said George. To celebrate the Chinese New Year, we will have a dragon dance, Madame Gazelle told the children. Peppa is super excited, but she's also confused. Where is the dragon? Peppa asked. We are going to make it, said Madame Gazelle. Peppa and her friends get to work. They use cardboard, paint, ribbon, and their imagination to make the dragon. Whoa! Who wants to carry the dragon? Asked Madame Gazelle. Peppa, Pandora, Peggy, Richard, and George do. Roar! Peppa said, pretending to be a dragon. Roar! Roar! Said Pandora, Peggy, and Richard. Wow! Next, Mr. Bull will set up the fireworks. Wow. Fireworks will light up the sky during the children's dragon dance. Yay! That gave Madame Gazelle an idea. Mr. Bull, would you like to lead the dance as a lion? She asked. It will be a great honor, replied Mr. Bull. I'll do it. With everything ready to go, Mr. Bull lead the children outside for a dragon dance. Let's go, guys! Peppa is so excited. She can hardly wait. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. The children perform the dragon dance while the fireworks light up the sky. Pop, 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 pop. It's truly a sight to behold. And there's another side too. The parents have come to see the show. Happy Chinese New Year, said the parents. The children smiled. Happy Chinese New Year! Happy Chinese New Year! They all replied. We just finished